Hello. Welcome to see you here. This is Umar Story Special YouTube channel. We provide interesting videos of general knowledge questions and answers daily about USA and different topics. Question number 1. To start us off with a topical one, which 15th century sailor is said to have discovered America? Answer is. To start us off with a topical one, which 15th century sailor is said to have discovered America? Christopher Columbus. He wasn't the first person to discover America, but he was considered to be the first person to introduce American to Western/European culture. Question number 2. In what year was America discovered? The answer is. And on that subject, in what year was America discovered? It was in 1492. Question number 3. What was the date for the U.S. Declaration of Independence from the British Empire? This is one everyone should know. It was the July 4, 1776. Question number 4. By land size, what is the smallest U.S. state? With only 1,045 square miles, Rhode Island is the smallest U.S. state. This is one of my favorite U.S. states trivia questions by far. Question number 5. Who was the first president to live in the White House? The answer is. It was John Adams. Everyone thinks it was George Washington as he was the first U.S. president, but it was actually John Adams as the White House wasn't built yet. Question number 6. What state is Mount Rushmore located in? The answer of. What state is Mount Rushmore located in? South Dakota. This is where you'll find the monument to the Found Fathers of the United States of America. This is one of those questions about USA that everyone should know but probably doesn't. Question number 7. By size, what is the largest lake in America? By size, what is the largest lake in America? Lake Superior covers an area of 31,700 square miles. A lot of people think this answer is Lake Michigan, but that has an area of 22,404 square miles, so it's actually a lot smaller. Question number 8. What state is also known as Finlandia because it looks a lot like Finland? What state is also known as Finlandia because it looks a lot like Finland? That's Minnesota. Question number 9. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from which country? Answer of question number 9 is, did the statue to the people of the United States in 1886. Question number 10. How many stars are on the American flag? Answer of question. How many stars are on the American flag? 50, one for each of the 50 U.S. states. Thanks for watching.